মাটি 30 বিঘা মোটামুটি গেছে মোৰ এইখন কিছুই পাৱা নাই চাল এইখন আৰু তামোল বাগান চাৰি বাগান আছিল এই শেষ হৈছে এইখন ঘৰ চৰ চব ভাগা হৈছে এইখন ৰিলিফো না দে আৰু কিছুই না দে এইখন মোৰ চলা ল'ৰাগিলা 6 জন আছে এইখন ক'ত ৰাখিম ক'ত নাৰাখিম স্যার আমার এটা কি কৰিম আৰু কি না কৰিম মোৰ তোমাক না দেখিলে আমাক কাই দেখিব
Sir.
Once again, I am coming. I am Garjan Musahari, General Secretary from Assam Pradesh Congress Committee. And see, I am right now here in a spot where the Shishubari villagers are suffering very terribly with the flood situation. And look, this also was a house and they have completely dismantled and taken away. And because they knew that this is going to be taken over by the flood water, you see eroding acres and acres, and this was an electric line, electric pole. It is disconnected right now, and it is also already taken. And it was full of villages. And look here, there is a remotely one family there. That side also this kind of running water, and here also this type of running water. Now they are caught in between. There is no way how we can go and save them, and there is no NDRF present, no SDRF present here. गामियारिफ्रा खोब दुखु मोनबाय दा बे खाथियावनो रिलिफबो दङ बे रिलिफआबो बेजोंनो खुरखा जासिगोन दिनैनि बे बेलासिनि गेजेरावनो there is a relief little away from here about 200 meters from here, and this water is going to take the relief also. And by this time, if the relief is not removed, relief is not displaced, and those people who are in the relief are also in trouble. What we could see here, the Assam government is very careless and very ignorant of the situation here. They are not taking any news, any stock about this. Look, this were a beautiful village over this river, and the river is taking away everything completely. And नोंथांमोनहा दिनैनि मोनानि जानाय रेशन गभर्नमेन्टनिफ्राय मोनदों नामा? मोनाखै. These people have no ration tonight. They are going to go hungry. ओरैनो हर बिथांमोना दंफैजोबो. बिथांमोना बुंदों दिनै मोनायाव रेशन गैया, ओंखाम गैया, and there is no electricity, and there is no provision for kerosene, no provision for lamp, no provision for candle. How are they going to stay tonight? This is terrible in such kind of situation. खोब दुखुनांथाव आसाम गभर्नमेन्टआ हिमन्त बिश्व शर्मा गभर्नमेन्टआ बिजेपि गभर्नमेन्टआ जोंनि आसामाव जे गोबां बेबायदि हाजार दिनै दै बानाजों खुरखा जाबाय, एफेक्ट जाबाय by hundreds and by thousands of family. Look. So land is eroding, my goodness. Just this land is eroded. And soon we are going to be, if we are not careful, we will be taken away by this water. So I think I'm not going to draw so closer. That is how the situation here. And BJP government is adamant and ignorant. There is no supply of rations, no supply of whatever. As per the report telling last year also same situation, these lands were all revenue merely patta, and there was Oi বাইদেউ ইয়াত আপোনাৰ ঘৰ আছে নেকি তামোল বাগান কিবা তামোল বাগান হৈছে নেকি এইগিলা পৰিবাৰ না बै দহन्द्रायलायनाया नैबे बुंनो रोंगोन बेसो ইয়াত আপোনাৰ তামোল বাগান মাটি সব গৈছে নেকি হয় বাসমৰা দেখা পাইছে না হয় this their lady is telling that bamboo and the bush up to that much it was her land, and there were butternut, and she had a house, and this flood has completely taken away, and she's just looking there, she's gazing. If I could get back my land, if I could get back my house, সরকাৰৰ পৰা কিবা সহায় পাইছে আপুনি ঘৰ বাৰী মাটিৰ কিবাটো ক্ষতিপূৰণটো পাইছা She says she has not got anything from the government. Last year also she lost so much of her Miadi Patta land, and she lost her house, and another house they were attempting to build, and they know that this year also this flood water will come hunting our house, our family, and will take away. And she is telling that's why we could not complete this, and eventually tonight her house is going to be taken, and numbers of betel nut. That betel nut tree I used to give them every year like 50,000, 60,000. প্রত্যেক বছরে তামোল বাগানৰ পৰা অলপ অলপ পইচা পাইছিল চাগে
আগত পাইছে
আগত পাইছিল she is telling she used to get কিমান
20,000
she used to get like 25,000 from betel nut. Look here, one betel nut already started to surrender to this flood water, and like with many hundreds of garden betel nut, this flood water is taken, and the government has no notice. Every time they come and make the list, and they will not give any relief. And that is how the situation is. She is expressing very unhappy over the reaction of the BJP government, Himanta Biswa Sarma government.
এতিয়া আপুনি কিবা ক'ব
স্যার আমি তো ইমান মাটি গেছে গাড়া মাটি 30 বিঘা মোটামুটি গেছে মোর এখন কিছুই পাওয়া নাই স্যার এখন আর তামোল বাগান চারি বাগাই আছিল এই শেষ হয়েছে এখন ঘর সর সব ভাগা হয়েছে এখন রিলিফও না দে আর কিছুই না দে এখন মোর চলা লড়া গেল 6 জন আছে এখন ক'ত রাখিম ক'ত না রাখিম স্যার আমার এটা কি করিম আর কি না করিম মোর তোমাক না দেখিলে আমাক কাই দেখিব এখন